So is the federal government criminally investigating Donald Trump? Well, the answer to that question from one of Donald Trump's own partners in crime is a resounding yes. Let's talk about that, because justice matters. Hey all, Glenn Kirshner here. First of all, happy Thanksgiving, friends. Need some holiday cheer? Well, let's take a look at what one of Donald Trump's co-conspirators, one of his criminal associates, just said about whether Donald Trump will be indicted, will be prosecuted federally. Michael Cohen, Donald Trump's former lawyer, longtime fixer, partner in crime, gave an interview yesterday to CNN. Headline, Michael Cohen, ex-Trump attorney, says prosecutors are working very hard towards indicting former president. And that article reads in part, former Trump attorney Michael Cohen says New York state and federal prosecutors have more than enough evidence to bring indictments against his former boss and are working hard to do so. Mr. Cohen, who on Monday finished a 3-year sentence he had been serving, first in federal prison, then on home confinement, for a variety of crimes which he said he had committed at former President Donald Trump's behest. The disbarred attorney, who was one of Trump's closest confidants before he chose to cooperate with law enforcement and give evidence against his former boss, said he will not be the only person who serves a prison sentence for the crimes he committed while in Trump's service. Cohen said the following, quote, I make this promise. I may have been prosecuted, and right now I am the only one, but I will not be the only one at the end, Cohen said during an appearance on CNN Newsroom. Prosecutors, Cohen said, want to ensure that they have everything in order before bringing any case against Trump or his kin. They have to make sure that when they do file those indictments against anyone whose last name is Trump or others, that those indictments stick, Cohen said, adding that he is still meeting with prosecutors on a regular and ongoing basis. Cohen said, quote, I don't want to get into the sum and substance of the investigation other than to say that they are working very hard and they are working on a daily basis in terms of bringing this indictment, close quote. So friends, if anyone says, well, the feds are not investigating Donald Trump, well, I'm sorry, but Michael Cohen is a witness in a federal investigation, meeting with federal prosecutors regularly on an ongoing basis, and he says they are working toward indicting Trump and possibly some of his kin. Now, Michael Cohen is not a spokesperson for the Department of Justice, but being that we hear absolutely nothing from DOJ through indictments or otherwise, we are left to read the justice tea leaves. And this morning, we had a nice strong cup of tea with Michael Cohen. So friends, don't lose faith. Don't lose hope. The federal authorities are criminally investigating Donald Trump. A witness in that investigation, a former criminal associate of Donald Trump, his longtime lawyer and fixer Michael Cohen, is a witness and is meeting with the federal prosecutors early and often as they work on a daily basis toward indicting Donald Trump. Don't lose faith. Don't lose hope. We're going to get there. Donald Trump will be held accountable. He will be indicted. He will be prosecuted. He will be convicted. He will be imprisoned. I predict for the crimes he committed against our nation, in violation of the laws of the United States, for the crimes he committed in a very real sense against we the people, he will be held accountable. He will be brought to justice. And justice matters. So keep the faith, keep the hope, and on this Thanksgiving, enjoy your time with your friends, with your family, and fuel up, because the justice fight will continue. As always, friends, please stay safe, please stay tuned, and I look forward to talking with you all again tomorrow.